Well, India is on alert over the new COVID variant Omicron. Clamour by opposition rules states to cancel all flights to and from the affected countries is now growing, with Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal urging Prime Minister Modi to cancel flights coming from Omicron-affected countries. He said that many countries have stopped incoming flights from Omicron-affected countries, but India is dealing it. The Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Uddhav Thackeray, too, has demanded suspension of flights from 12 Omicron-affected nations. The number, of course, has gone well past beyond 14 now. Jharkhand Health Minister has also said that this should be done. Now, this comes after the centre decided to review its decision of resuming international flights from the 15th of December and also issued fresh guidelines for international travellers, making screening and quarantine mandatory from COVID-affected nations. Some countries have resorted to full or partial ban on travel to these countries, but the move has been slammed by the World Health Organization.
A person might, you might stop him from coming from a direct flight from South Africa. But what if he goes from South Africa to Egypt and comes to Dubai and then comes to you? Who all are you going to stop? Air travel is a very flexible mechanism. Large number of people who come from US come via Qatar and Dubai and all that. How are you going to stop them? So, for all passengers coming with the travel history, which will be seen, based on that, protocol has been laid out. They are well thought out.
अगर भारत में कोरोना वायरस आया तो विदेशों से ही आया, ये हिंदुस्तान का वायरस तो था नहीं। अगर उस टाइम में फ्लाइट्स बंद करके और जो फ्लाइट्स आ भी रही थी अगर उनको प्रॉपर क्वारंटाइन करके किया गया होता तो शायद ऐसी स्थिति नहीं आती कि हम लोग इतनी बड़ी मुसीबत में फंसते। कई दिन से दिल्ली के मुख्यमंत्री मांग कर रहे हैं, दिल्ली की जनता के हित में और देश के हित में ये फैसला तुरंत लेना चाहिए।
सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ने कुछ एडवाइजरीज 28 नवंबर को जारी की है, जिसमें बहुत क्लियर लिखा है कि रिस्की कंट्रीज बोल के नॉमिनेट हुए हैं, उनके यहाँ से आने वाले हर कोई फ्लाइट के लोगों का 2-3 तरीके से उनकी जांच हो रही है। लेकिन इसके बावजूद भी महाराष्ट्र के मंत्रिमंडल में इसकी चिंता व्यक्त की गई है कि क्यों ना हम इस सभी रिस्की कंट्रीज के फ्लाइट्स को बैन करें और उस तरीके की विनती भी केंद्र शासन को करें।
Mumbai airport is also taking all possible measures to contain this new variant of COVID as soon as possible. Mumbai mayor visited the airport. She checked what are the measures put in place. There were around 50 counters before the new variant came in the scene, and now 80 counters at Mumbai airport, so that people who are coming, the travelers who are coming from the countries of concern, they has to be checked. They have to be kept in institutional quarantine, and then their RT-PCR test will be done again. A person who tested positive, who had come from South Africa, he's staying in Dombivli currently. He is under institutional quarantine. His genome sequencing reports is awaited. A list of about 466 such travelers has been made in the entire MMR region, out of which 97 people are only in Mumbai. The constant tab is being kept on all these travelers, as well as the Maharashtra government has requested the centre that flights from these 12 countries of concern should be stopped so that these entire news variant is not spread in Mumbai and other parts of India. With camera person Hemant Mustafa Sheikh for India Today.
We are at the arrival gates of the international division of the international airport over here in Kolkata. The Kolkata International Airport has identified 3 particular countries arriving passengers from Bangladesh, UK and Singapore have to mandatorily go for RT-PCR test inside the premises of the airport, and only when they test negative can they leave from the vicinity of the airport. They have to maintain a 14-day quarantine period as issued by the government of India. And right now, if we just show you this particular place, mostly as Omicron has been reported throughout the world, but not over here in India and Kolkata itself. We can see that everyone, almost everyone, I don't see anyone without a mask over here. That's a good part of it. Everyone is wearing a mask, and that is something that has become mandatory once again, which was mandatory rather for a long time. And as Omicron has been reported in various countries, not India so far, that has made people to wear the masks once again, because there is a lot of fear about this new variant. With camera person Kiranjit, this is Suryagni Roy for India Today, Kolkata.